Want to see how I acquired this look? Then please stay tuned. Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some Smoosh Marbling, which is a form of liquid nail art. I have done 3 nails already. I have used purple, black, white, and pink. Each one turns out different than the one before. That's one of the things I love about liquid nail art, fluid nail art, whichever you want to call it. But I think it's just beautiful. So I'm going to show you now how I acquired this look. I've got 2 nails prepped and ready to go. I do have a coat of white paint nail polish, regular nail polish on them already. It is dried. We are ready to go. I have got my Beauty Big Bang stamper. And I'm going to take, let me open all these first. You want them all open and near you. Alrighty, righty, here we go. Make sure I'm in frame. I'm going to take each one and leave several drops on your stamper. I should have picked one that had a lot in it. The black I'm only going to do like that because it is a very pigmented dominating color. Whoops. Whoops. Now I'm going with purple. This isn't the purple I wanted to use, but it's what I grabbed. Oops. And last but not least, our white. Wants to run away with me. There we go. There are 2 different ways, there are a couple different ways you can do this. You could do this, smush this right directly on the nail. If you are doing this on your hands, my best advice to you is some liquid latex to protect around the nail so you're not getting nail polish all over your skin. On the other hand, oops, it's really running, isn't it? I'm going to be stamping off of this onto the nail. And just stamp however you want. The colors you want to get on the nail. Whoops. Like I said, each one's going to look different than the one before. Here are our 2 nails. And the black, like I said, was, you know, black you don't want to add a lot to it. You want to add a lot more of your other colors. So we are going to wait for these to dry. Just a tad, not a lot. And then I'm going to be going in with some black freehand and also some gold. And we're going to highlight them a little bit. So we will be right back. Alrighty, now we are at the stage that I want them to be. We are going to be going in with some Model 1s, black and gold. It is 001 and 012. Solid painting nail gels, which this is a gel. I'm taking regular polish and applying gel over top, which means we will be curing and applying a gel top coat. You can do that, but you cannot do it in reverse. Just so you know. I'll be going with the black first. It's such a hard time. This is such a little brush. Oh, sorry, I'm not even in the frame. But you want to get it like halfway up the neck of your brush. Brace your finger. Let me move these. I have this all over me. Just find a place on the nail or highlight where there is some black there. You do this any place on the nail. I'm going to do this on each one. I'm just going to take like basically the natural lines of the Smoosh manicure. Well, that one's going to be really pretty with the gold in there too. This is really, as you can see, really super easy to do. I hope you hang out with me to the very end so you can see the finished product. Here we got some pink showing, which is beautiful. I wish pink would have been more predominant in this, but unfortunately it wasn't. We will be using the same brush. I'll just be cleaning it. Alright, I got me some remover alcohol sitting here off to the side. Could use acetone actually to clean the brush, but it isn't cured. And this works beautifully. Now I'm going to be going in with the gold. And this is really beautiful when it's done. Just go over where the black is that you drew. Draw a thin line. Sorry if I'm so quiet. Sometimes I get that way when I'm concentrating. And this is a manicure that I'm concentrating. I think they're so beautiful when they're finished. I am going to pause. I'm getting really parched. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. While I was being dehydrated, I finished off a couple of the nails. Still going to do the thumbnail here and just draw in some accents with the gold. Just to highlight certain areas of the marble. This was a form of liquid nail art, or you might want to call it fluid. This was all wet at one time. I got to the tacky layer and I started drawing the accents. And by now it's all dry except the accents themselves because they are gel. Just wanting to recap for anybody that might have just jumped in and joined us. Fast forwarded to see what's going on. So now I'm going to pop these in the lamp 430. Whoops. And I think they're just really beautiful. This is the brush I was using. I got it off of AliExpress. I can't... It says something on the brush. I don't remember. Well, I shouldn't say I don't remember. I can't see. It's done in white. And I have no idea what it says. I also have this brush here with some, well, slightly stiff bristles. Whoops. I haven't used this one yet. I don't know if it says Mary's. I don't know what it says. Oh, it says 01. Let's see this. This is going to be a number here. Oh, this is a 04. So I got these off of AliExpress. Pretty cool to have and to use. Okay, here we are. This is our semi-finished product. I'm going to top coat now with the nice, beautiful, glossy top coat by Princess Nails by Diana. I love this top coat versus... the other ones I have are all by Model 1s. And I'm not knocking them, but this has got like a wider brush, which I do love. So you can get like a bigger... I don't want to say bead of polish. Don't forget the cap. That way you're spreading all over the whole nail. But, you know, wider range, I guess I should say. Do love this brush. It's a nice spread of top coat here. Let the brush cover and do its work. And I will pop this in for 60. Whoops. Talk about a hobble and a bobble. And we'll be right back. We are finally back. I had a problem with some of the nails curing. It seemed like I have got the Bell Home View, the groovy lamp. It is a beautiful, beautiful lamp. Last 2 times I've used it, and I've only had it a couple of months, and it's not like I use it often. I mean, I do, but I don't. So it's little curing increments here and there. But some of the nails don't seem to want to cure. I put them in for 60, take them out, 2 of them still feel tacky. And it's a no-wipe top coat. It's never done this before. So I'm not sure what the problem was with the nail, but it was this one right here. But now we're good to go. The manicure is finished. And I think this turned out beautifully. I think it is just gorgeous. I hope you think the same thing. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. This is super easy to achieve. And I hope you enjoyed. I really do. I had a lot of fun doing this. I know I get quiet sometimes, and you can tell that's when I'm concentrating, because otherwise I'm a babbler. I will talk and talk and talk, but this time, you know, I was concentrating. So bear with me. Stay with me when I get like that. You know, I'm trying to produce great product for you. Trying to do my best. And I hope you improve. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. If this is your first time coming through, please subscribe and click that bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos that I produce, which is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please come back for my Saturday videos. It's my original She Modern series video. They are great, great products to see. Love playing with them. But for now, we have come to an end, and you have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.